Ladies and gentlemen, this is Joy E. I want to chat briefly about the implication of what it means to purchase property in the names of a minor or a child. Kakati, in the laws of Uganda, if you're a child or if you have not yet obtained 18 years of age, you're not able to enter into a binding contract or legally recognized contract. And if you're buying property, for example, there's an agreement. You're entering a contract between yourself as a buyer and the seller. Now, in this instance, for example, where we're going in the video, one of the ladies we supported, my organization, Sparrows No Foundation or SNF, purchased property. And when I asked to see her agreement, I realized that it was in the names of her child. And when I asked if she understood what that meant, she said no. And I asked if she'd done background check. She said she asked a few people, but I said let's just go and double check just to, be sure. But also I asked that she let one of her children, the older one, to go and know where the property is, because you see, these are some of the mistakes we make, that you make an investment, you buy property and nobody knows, or you have some money in the account or something but nobody's aware. And in case of death, then where do people start from, you see? So I hope that's not you. And now most times we purchase this property. Why? Because we are trying to leave an inheritance for our children, or you are trying to avoid wrangles and land grabbing, and sometimes it's a way of investing for the future because you do not know, which is a smart move. However, it's not the best advised mode for you to have your children's name indicated on the titles or the properties that you buy, unless you're very sure that in the near future, before your children turn 18, you're not going to need to mortgage, to liquidate, or to transfer or sell that land, because then you're going to require a guardianship order. That means going to court, that means costs, that means it's going to be a lengthier process. So if you're afraid of your children's future, please make a will. A will does not mean you're going to die.